Since installing the grander devices, our cooling water facility has been working without requiring any maintenance and without any disturbances.
I only needed half the laundry detergent, and then I didn't require any more fabric softener. However, the laundry was still soft.
Since implementing the grander system, we have larger dough amounts, and we have a considerably longer-lasting freshness in our products.
After so many years, I'm still thrilled when we make a car really shine, or if the customer watches, fascinated, and says, wow, but it is only credited to Grander that we were able to achieve these goals.
Grander water is neutral. It has a soft taste, is long-lasting, and it has a tempering effect, which is refreshing.
Since introducing Grander water in our home, we only drink water now.
In my opinion, water is simply better than any juice.
When normal water is used, the silver falls out relatively quickly. If we use Grander water, this product is stable for 10 to 20 years.
The quality that I have come to appreciate with our grander device, it's just like spring water for me. It feels like literally going back to the source of life.
What really impressed me was the fact that we had fewer post-operative complaints after the surgical work we had done on patients. That was noticeable when we installed the grander technology in our office. We have noticed, since installing grander, that their performance has improved and the horses are overall less vulnerable, which is very important for us, because it is our job to keep these top athletes in tip-top shape. The beer has more defined tastes, and concerning the finances, we also benefit, because we need way less cleaning detergent than before. As a result, the investment has been amortized within a year.
Every guest who stays with us can enjoy grander water even in his own room. That's probably the reason why people who spend their holidays here are so relaxed.
It is noticeable that the children do not bring fruit juices anymore, so they know very well that we have a special water at school, namely grander water, and the kids are crazy about drinking it.
Someone could bring me the best coffee in the world, the most expensive coffee machine in the world. However, if the water isn't right, then nothing would make sense.
We go hand in hand with grander water, and the guests enjoy coming here even more, because they know that the water is of especially high quality.
We noticed that the cleaning process is much easier with grander water, and the whey is much easier to be cleaned out. And the maturing process runs much better from the beginning.
My job is to ensure that we can guarantee only the best coffee goes out, and Grander water plays a significant role in all that we do. When you drink our coffee, you notice that there's a quality water behind it.
All the doughs rise differently, and they are simply woolly and stabler, and they are simply wonderful to work with. There is no effort at all. It is built in, and then it runs. It's just that simple.